Alright, so I'm going to show you how to get downtown Toronto in the quickest possible way using the train. And it's not scary at all. So when you get out finally from customs, you'll be leaving through either something like that or whatever. But first thing you do is look for the sign that says trains or public transportation. But either way, you're going to be going up a level. So look for escalators if everything looks really confusing. So let's see where we are. Here we are. So on the sign here, you can see something that says train to city, and it points that way. You don't need to go that way. Just when that way, it means go straight, possibly, but also means go up. So find the escalator, go up, because the passageway or the overpass, whatever, to the to where the trains are, and what you're looking for is something called the UP Express or the Up Express, depending. I never figure out how they pronounce it. But the U and the P stand for Union and Pearson. So Union is the station in downtown Toronto that you will be arriving at. Pearson is the airport. So they're so clever. Ha 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 ha, so clever. Anyways, so when you get up to the top of the escalator, don't trip, jump off. Maybe do a moonwalk if you really want to do that. You're full of energy. And of course, you'll see this little tunnel-y thing, train to city. And in case you do enter over here, make sure you go to the right one, because you want to go to the one that's going slightly up, not to the one going down that way, because you're actually going up. So that's how you know. If you wonder, am I going the right way? You're like, am I walking up? Then that will do it. And there is the moving sidewalk, or what do they call these things? Motivator? No, moviter. I don't know. We'll call it mechanical sidewalk for now. So launch yourself up down this thing. When there's too many people, or sometimes when it's broken, go walk along there. You know how it works. You know how to walk, one foot in front of the other. Sometimes hop along, I don't care. Nobody gives a crap. So let's see. Alright, so when you get in, you hang a left usually, but just to double check, look at the sign. Remember, you're looking for the sign that says train to city. It couldn't be more obvious than that. But if you're French, then it's train vers le centre-ville. But nobody cares. So just go here, and then you'll be going up the escalators again. So a lot of going up. If of course, this is if you arrive in Terminal 1. If you happen to arrive in Terminal 3, then you have to ride something called the TransLink or something like that. But there's a free train that shuttles you between the two terminals. So first you hop onto the terminal, but you'll have to hop you'll have to get off at Terminal 1. So the airport express train to downtown is in Terminal 1. So if you don't arrive at Terminal 1, get your ass to Terminal 1 using the inter-terminal link train. We'll see. I can't remember what it's called. Well, actually, when we get to the top of these escalators here, it will tell me what the name of the crazy train linky doohickey system thing. Here it is. Let's see. So if you do end up arriving in Terminal 3 instead of Terminal 1, you'll be getting off one of these trains on the side here, and it's called, I don't know, it still just says Link 1. I know that's not the name, but who knows. But if you did get off in Terminal, if you did arrive at Terminal 1, you just keep going straight, and it's just at the end of the hallway there. And you can either just tap your credit card, or if you come here a lot, you can get something called a Presto card that gives you slightly better rates, and or you can actually just buy a ticket from the machine, I think. And I don't know what the hell right, so the price of it can vary anywhere from, I think, like $9 if you or 9 something if you've got a Presto card, to like $15 if you don't, I think. So so yeah, if you're on another terminal, hop on one of those link trains and hop off here. But if you are here, you can do this, and it takes, it starts running at what, 5:30 in the morning. First train to Union from the airport is 5:30, and first train from the city is 6:30. So that's kind of interesting. Oh no, actually 5:30 on weekdays, but weekends a little bit different. So yeah, so it's all down here. So you just have to tap, find the doohickey thing, and tap, which I'm going to do right now. Awesome. Yes, thank you. And that's straightforward enough. And so yeah, the trains come every 15 minutes. It takes 25 minutes to get down, so no traffic. It's pretty awesome. And it'll tell you when it departs. You'll see the 3-minute thing going on there, and from there you should be able to figure it out. And then just there are like 2 other stops along the way, I think. Just you know, most likely you'll just be going right into the city. So just right into Union Station, which is the terminus station, so you don't have to worry about not getting off, because they'll kick you all off at the end, or everyone will just get off. Just look for the one where everyone gets off. So here it is. All right, so let's get in the station here, and I'm just gonna toss my bag over here. That should work. Set that down there and set it over here. And that's it. So just ride the train and get off whenever you feel like it. Usually the attendant does come on board to check the tickets. So at some point they might ask you to check the ticket, and you used your credit card or something to tap. Just tap that credit card. They'll know it, and they can verify it that way. But yeah. That's about it. So next time you're in Toronto, you fly into Toronto and it's just you getting downtown, this is the fastest way in. That's still reasonable in terms of price. So do it. And remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this. And if you've got if there's any other tips, there's actually another way of getting in using public transit, like the subway and the bus. It takes a little bit longer, but it's only like $3. So if you want me to, let me know in the comments if you want me to do a little spiel on that. And I'll show you guys how to get from the airport, or even to and from the airport on public transit. So, yeah. Alright, so when you get to Union Station, it should be pretty obvious. And of course, just make sure you get all your stuff before you get off the train. Let's see, where did I stick my bag? I don't know. Grab my bag here, and off our train I go. And when you get off, as you can see, it is this here. Just tap yourself off. Sounds like something sexy. Sounds like something sexy, so you tap yourself off. But anyways, okay. And yeah, you can just waltz yourself into the station over there. So you can connect there to a subway, or if you need to grab a cab or an Uber, you can also do it inside Union Station over there. So yeah, when you leave, get off the platform, hang a right, at least it should be, but just look for the thing that says to Union Station, because that's where you want to end up. That's where the party's at. That's where the good stuff is. And you need to grab a quick drink, you can grab a quick drink in there too. There's a few places in there that'll serve you some refreshing beverages. There's also some restaurants and food courts in there, so you can get yourself some food. There's also some retail in there, so you can get yourself some whatever it is you need. And so let me just put some shit away here. Alright, so anyways, if you enjoyed that, like I said, remember to like and subscribe. If you want, like I said, if you want me to show you how to get in into the city using public transit like subway and bus, it's not the quickest way, but it is the cheapest way. I think it's like, so you know, the ride will cost you like, I think it's like just over $3. So and it's in Canadian dollars. So I can do that. It's a bit of a longer ride. It can take anywhere from like 45 minutes to like an hour and a half, depending on time of day. But hey, if you just want cheap, that's the way to do it. So yeah, and then eventually you see here you get into the old station and you dig around. But yes, join me for more adventures. So I will chat with you all soon. Bye.